What is your vision for the display industry, and how does NEC Display Solutions impact that vision?
Displays are windows into information, and the industry is really at a point of breakthrough in understanding what that means and how content can be brought to life, how we evolve from, let's say, static into more of a digital content environment. And what's interesting is that the display in and of itself is not new into the marketplace. It's been around for quite a while, but the technology and the software and the way that the display is being used is really at a point of breakthrough. We're seeing new progression being made on how content is being brought to life and how companies are creating more of an experiential environment by using displays and using the solutions to engage consumers or engage those that are interested in what's being brought into the marketplace. NEC is at a point where we provide a lot of the technology and a lot of the solution, both from a hardware and a software perspective, into the market that enables this creativity to take place. We bring a wide variety of channel partners as well as ecosystem partners to help meet the specific needs, the unique needs that each vertical may have, each customer may have in driving their business and really bringing their brand into the marketplace.
To what extent are you nurturing existing and new markets, and what role do channel partners play in your strategy?
Existing markets are very important, both from a local perspective and a global perspective, and we continue to leverage resources that we have around R&D to innovate the technology, to improve the technology that are in those spaces. But we also are focused on creating new markets in the global market, in the global arena. Those verticals that maybe have not had a chance to really leverage the capabilities of displays and of solutions, we can now help them to understand and to be creative and to explore what can this technology bring to their business and how can it help them to ultimately either reach customers, improve their business processes, or create a more collaborative environment.
We often know firsthand what companies produce and market, but not why they do what they do. What inspires you and your employees to come to work each day?
What excites us is that our customer success defines our success. So we know we're successful when our customers are successful. That means being flexible, being open, and being adaptive, not only as a company, but also with our technology and with our solutions and with our partners as well, whether they be channel partners or the ecosystem partners that we bring to the table. So what really motivates the organization is being faced with a challenge and knowing that that challenge is going to be different with every customer that we work with, and being rewarded with the success of our customers is really what motivates the organization daily.
We read in the news a lot about big data and analytics. How do they impact business performance?
Big data and analytics are really at the forefront of information that's relevant to a company. We talked about information relevant to a customer, but relevant to a company is the analytics that drive a lot of the behaviors or capture the behaviors of consumers. Understanding those analytics and understanding why we as consumers do what we do is important in that environment. And being able to look at the analytics and understand specific behaviors and drive business decisions on those analytics is very important and can be very beneficial to companies to know what products to position where, or to even understand why customers walk in certain directions and not other directions. So there's a lot that can be done around the analytics to understand really what is happening in a particular environment and how to drive business success based upon that information.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.